Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to try something new. I want to create a balloon wall, not really a balloon wall, something in the middle, but using a frame. It will be interesting. I've never done this before. We're gonna figure out this together. I've seen this installation, this shape of installation for quite a while now. So everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. So go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. To inflate my balloons, I am using my electric balloon pump from LiQWYD Paper and Balloon Company. Nothing changes here. I love this thing. If you want to purchase anything from LiQWYD Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. Also, this code only valid for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to LiQWYD Paper and Balloon Company. So today I am working with Vitalitex and Qualitix. I got these balloons from LiQWYD Paper and Balloon Company as well. I am using 4 colors today: Deluxe Eucalyptus, Mocha Brown, Deluxe White Sand, and Blush colors. Love all of these colors. Love them so much. So what am I doing right now? I am grabbing, starting with Deluxe Eucalyptus, grabbing 2 balloons and inflating them into different sizes. Into something like this. Now, if you want your balloons to be on the rounder side, then you need to press your balloons against yourself or floor or table or anywhere to give your balloons more rounder shape. Then tie them together into a pair. I am tying my balloons pretty close together, as you can see, because we need these really nice and stretchy necks. We'll be using them when we're going to be constructing our balloon installation. I went ahead and pre-inflated 3 more pairs of balloons. Now it's time to create clusters of balloons. Clusters of balloons, 3 or 4 pairs of balloons intertwined together. So I am grabbing my 2 pairs of balloons and intertwining them nice and tight together, making sure that nothing's gonna unwind and go places. Adding my 3rd pair of balloons into this quad. Quad is 4 balloons together. Again, intertwining everything nice and tight together. And grabbing our last 4th pair of balloons and adding into already small cluster of balloons. A small cluster of balloons are 3 pairs of balloons intertwined together. So we're creating a bigger cluster by adding 1 more pair of balloons into this. And now we have this beautiful looking cluster of balloons. I am happy with this. Let's inflate other colors as well using exactly the same method. Once in a while, I will be creating quads of balloons. Remember, 4 balloons intertwined together, or I will be making smaller clusters, 3 pairs of balloons intertwined together to have more variety of sizes of clusters, to fill the spaces with smaller clusters or quads will be so much easier and so much prettier. So let's inflate more balloons. Let's go. Let's work on other colors as well. You guys, quickly wanted to point out something about Deluxe Eucalyptus balloons. I absolutely love how these balloons stretch. You can inflate them very small and you won't have that awkward dark spot on top of the balloons. You can inflate them larger. They look amazing in any size. What is going on, you guys? Can you see this? This Mocha Brown 16-inch balloon is a different color than Mocha Brown 11-inch balloon. Am I like imagining? But I see a difference. 16-inch are darker than 11, and I don't think I want to use them because it's gonna bug me that 16 is darker than 11. So I am scratching 16-inch for Mocha Brown and working with 5 and 11-inch balloons. are bagged. As you can see, I bagged them in different bags because it's going to be a lot easier to pick out a color this way than digging through one bag looking for a color that I need. Also taking my artificial ferns and greeneries that I bought on Amazon. They will be linked in the description under this video. I am very surprised by how pretty they look, and the quality of them is awesome. All right, let's take everything outside and start constructing this beauty. Time to construct. So first things first, I am setting up my grid frame that I bought from AliExpress. It's very light, very easy to set up. I will have a link in the description under this video. So all I'm doing is I am grabbing necks of balloons from my clusters and tying to the grid. Once in a while, I used 260s or rubber bands to attach my balloons to the grid. I didn't really follow any type of patterns. I was just going off of how colors look like and where I need to place a certain color. Absolutely put some weights on the bases of this frame. Totally forgot that I wanted to use Qualitix gold chrome balloons. I love using balloons outdoors, but I don't like when my chrome balloons oxidize. That's the only balloon that I don't like to see to be matte. And I did exactly the same thing. I inflated balloons, made clusters, and added them sporadically throughout this whole frame. It turned out to look like a balloon wall, but I will work on the bottom a little bit more a little bit later. My larger balloons, I did grab 260s balloons, tied them to the neck of bigger balloons, and then took the 260 with the balloon and tied to the grid. A lot easier. Now I'm putting in finishing touches, putting 5-inch balloons in, trying to work on details. And here, very soon, just because I didn't like how sun was falling on my balloons, kind of like half is bright and half is in the shade, I decided to relocate the whole thing. Lighting on my balloons is so much better now. I am much happier. Working on the bottom of this installation even more now by adding extra clusters of balloons, giving more volume, and trying to take balloons out to the sides even more, adding larger size balloons and grabbing my artificial greenery, grabbing 2 bunches of ferns and combining them together to have more volume in them and make them look a little more fluffy. I simply push them between balloons and they hold pretty well. Do you see a problem? He's not. Look at this. From this side, from that side, animals are coming in. My brother, by the way, check out his shirt. That was my present to him for his birthday. Check out a link. Professional at work. Huh? Look at this. Look at him go. I chose what?
I chose my spot.
Here you can see a glance of what I would do if I had to clean after client's party. I usually don't clean after parties unless a client pays me extra. Then I am coming down to pick up my stuff and clean the balloons. This is you guys, this is what I have for you today. I hope this video was fun to watch. I hope it was educational and inspiring. If it was, like usual, you guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. They always help. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out to the best of my abilities. Also, don't forget to let me know what you guys think about this installation in the comments as well. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!